Hi everybody, this is Miss Katie. I am here to show you how to make a paper plate bird to go along with our book, Nesting. So the first thing that you need, of course, is a paper plate. So any old paper plate will do. The cheap ones are the best ones. Make sure you have these little ridges on the outside, and make sure that they're actually the plain ones. It's a lot harder to color on the ones that have a waxy surface, but if those are the only ones you have, that's okay. So you take your paper plate and we're going to fold it in half. Fold it in half, make a nice little crease at the bottom, just like that. So then we need to make a rough outline of our bird. So you start with the head, and then you make the wings, and then you do the tail. So it looks pretty simple, pretty rough. It doesn't look like a bird right now, but there's kind of his beak and his head, and then there's the front of the wings and the back of the wings, and then there is a little tail that goes up like that. So once you have done that, then you use your scissors to cut out your little outline here. So you want to cut all that out right to there. But you do not want to cut along the bottom right here. We want to make sure you keep that folded and don't cut that part. So once you've cut that out, you open it back up and it looks something like this. So then what you get to do is decorate it. So I use some colorful markers, but you can use paint, you can use some crayons. But I want you to color your bird all over your bird on the inside and outside. Because then what we'll do, because it'll look like this when you've cut it out, and then what you're going to do is make sure it's colored, and then put it back like this, and then use a stapler to put a couple of staples right in there. And then you're going to fold it down on either side so you can hold your bird like this, almost like a little paper airplane. But the bird's wings are outstretched, and there's his tail, and there's his beak, and there is your bird. So you want to fold it right here. Just do a little fold and then put some staples in there so you can hold on to your bird. So again, when you open up your paper plate, it will look kind of like this. And then when you cut this out, open that up, and then you get to color it and decorate it, and then carefully fold it just down in the middle and staple it just so you have that. There you go. There is your colorful paper plate bird to go along with our story, Nesting. Thanks, guys.